How to get Tamara Card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can get your Tamara Card online. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. So the first thing you have to know is that this card right here is limited to certain regions as of now. So if it's not available in your region, then there's nothing you can do. But if it is available on your region, there are certain things that you need to do to get this card. So first thing you're going to have to do is there are 3 steps to getting your Tamara card. The step 1 is to get your card. So for that, you need to open up the app first and go to My Tamara Card option. Then hit the Add to Apple Wallet button and then follow the on-screen instructions, and then you should be able to get it connected with your Apple Pay. Now you can pay in store with Apple Pay. For that, you need to open the Tamara mobile app and then go to My Tamara Card. Then select the card plan and choose the payment plan. And you can pay in full or split it up into 4. It's up to your choice. Then if you select split, ensure that you have enough purchasing power and simply tap the phone on the POS machine to complete your payment. And it's as easy as that. So if this card is available on your region, you can easily connect it to your Apple Wallet and then simply tap and pay anywhere you want. Now that's how you get your Tamara card. And if you want to know more about the card or get support about it, you could click on this chat with us option right here, and they will guide you through your problems and give you the required solution. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.